Hi guys, it's Katie, and for today's video we are testing out the Chi Air Spin and Curl. I saw this as a recommended product on Facebook. I'm not really sure why they recommended to me a product that curls your hair when I already have curly hair, but I love Chi products in general, and I was watching some of the reviews on this and I was like, I kind of need this in my life. I don't really know why, but I really want to try it. I bought this product at Kohl's. It'll run you about $100, but it does qualify for Kohl's Cash. So if you are going to go pick this up, make sure to pick it up during a Kohl's Cash weekend or whatever. So at least I got 20 bucks back on it. So we are going to try it out. So here's what the product looks like. It looks like a giant tulip thing. So it's got the heat set temperature on it. So you can set it to be kind of low, medium, or high. And low-key, the real reason why I wanted this product is because I was looking at the reviews on it, and the curls were just incredible, and it's a Chi product, so those usually work. And the real reason I wanted it is because this side of my hair curls really well, but this side of my hair does not. It just doesn't do anything. And then of course getting the back is just like impossible, because how do you curl the back of your head properly? So when I looked at it, I was like, this would be a cool product to try and like fix whatever is happening on this side of my hair and maybe make curling the back a little easier. I looked at some of my pictures. Half the time when I straighten my hair, it's not even straight in the back. Like, I just cannot do the back by myself. So I wanted to give this a try. It says to pick about a 1-inch section, and we are going to, oh, I'm so scared. This is so, okay, let's see. I wouldn't want it to go towards my face or away from my face. A little confused. It's got 2 buttons, so let's figure this process out. So you're supposed to put it like this. It said it's supposed to beep. I don't hear a beep. I don't know when it beeps though. Oh, there it goes. There's the beep. Okay. Let's see. See, look at this, low key, like what is this hair even doing? Dun 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 dun. I think this is definitely more than 4 seconds though. Okay. Ooh, that's cool. Can you guys see? Oh. This is me being a goofball. Woo-hoo-hoo. My hair is just not very straight today either. Hoo-hoo-hoo.
Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the
I mean, I think this thing is like such a win. We'll just have to see what happens on this side of my head right now.
A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers, you and me.
So here are the final results of it, just straight up the way it is. I feel like if you need to make yourself a Shirley Temple hairstyle, this would be freaking perfect. Fun fact, I dressed up like Shirley Temple when I was in the 8th grade for Halloween, because curly hair people, we want to stick together. But here's how it looks straight up the way it is. And let's check out the back. How's it looking, guys? I can't see the back of my head. Okay, so since there's just like too much curl here happening, I think if you just kind of brushed it out some, that's like the messiest brushing ever, and kind of just loosened it, you could give it more of like the beach wave vibe. Because my hair is naturally curly, it's going to hold this shape without any hairspray, so I cannot attest to you whether this is gonna hold forever, but my experience with Chi products in general is that they usually hold pretty freaking well. This is kind of what it looks like. This feels like my hair right here, where it just does this huge volume thing. I don't know. So my final thoughts on my product are, if you want to buy a hair curler, this thing is cool. Like, you know, if nothing else, if you have to curl your hair a lot, I would totally buy this because it's way more enjoyable than actually using a curling iron or a curling wand. I really like this product. I think it works super, super well. I had it set at 380 degrees, which is the medium section. You can also set it, let's see how high it goes. But the highest this product goes is 410. I had it set at 380 because, like, do I really want to fry this hair any more than it already is? I think you could definitely get some really, really cool results out of this. This was my first time ever using it, and super easy, and I love it. I have no idea how they made this product work so well. Can you see it in there spinning? You can't see it, but there are two buttons here that spin it one way or the other, so you can see, like, I press one button and it spins that way, I press the other button and it spins the other way. I would definitely recommend this product 100% if you needed to buy a curling iron. It totally works and it's awesome, and yeah, I would recommend it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below because it's free, and who doesn't love free things? And I make lots of videos on DIYs and lifestyle and whatever other random stuff that sounds good for the day. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
We're